Anthropic just quietly added one of the most underrated features to Claude Cowork. It can now run tasks on a schedule even while you're sleeping. So in this video, I'm going to show you the new scheduled task feature and then walk you through some use cases I'm using that honestly feel like cheating. And I'm going to show you how this plus their new plugins feature they added yesterday really takes Claude Cowork to the next level. So without further ado, let me show you now. All right, so I'm going to quickly explain what the new Claude Cowork scheduled tasks are, and then we're going to dive into some use cases I've been using. So instead of having to do manually tasks every single day, we can now have Claude Code do these for us. We could basically explain to Claude exactly how we want something done, and it can do this forever. We could type in a specific command and pick a cadence, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly, and Claude Cowork can do things such as sorting our email inbox every day, or organizing files automatically, building reports while we sleep, and it even connects to 13 new app connectors that I'm going to show you in this video. And where this gets even more powerful is with the new plugins feature that Claude Cowork just announced yesterday. If you don't know what plugins are, they essentially turn Claude Cowork into a specialist. There's pre-built plugins for your HR team, finance, legal, or your sales team. Or you could even build your own plugins directly. So now inside of Claude Cowork, with the new plugins feature, as well as the scheduled task feature, we now have our own AI employees for $20 per month that we could train to do anything. All right, so to get started, we first need to download the Claude desktop app. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to claude.com/download and make sure to download this. You could either download this on Mac or Windows. So let me pull up Claude Cowork now. So if I open the Claude desktop app, you can now see that we have Claude Cowork here if you've never used this before. All right, so I wanna show you one use case I'm using right now inside of Claude Cowork. If we take a look at my Cowork message history here, you could see that I said, look at my last YouTube video I posted today, repurpose that video into a LinkedIn post it to the Slack channel named content, and then post it live to LinkedIn via Buffer. So if you don't know what Buffer is basically a platform that allows me to schedule posts across any of the platforms that I use. And I'm actually using Zapier MCP to connect my Buffer account in order to schedule posts across all these different accounts. So from here, what Cowork did is it actually found the video that I posted today. Claude just got 13 new superpowers, Cowork plugins. It also provided the URL to the video, and it broke down the key points from inside of the video. And it went ahead and crafted this LinkedIn post that was repurposing basically the main premise of what I talked about in that video, but specific for LinkedIn and LinkedIn copy. Then what Cowork did is it asked if I should send this to Slack and Buffer now. I just said, yes, please. Next thing you know, it sent this to my Slack content channel in order for my team to approve it. And then once it's approved, it was then posted to LinkedIn via Buffer. If I pull up my Slack now, you could see that we have our new LinkedIn post that was ready to publish on Buffer. And I'm not going to break down this entire thing, but this is a pretty good formatted LinkedIn post directly from my YouTube video. Let me show you which one I'm referring to. So it basically took the main points from this video and turned that into a LinkedIn post. However, you're probably wondering, like, Brock, what does scheduled tasks have anything to do with what I just showed you? So the power of this is, imagine every single day if it scraped my YouTube, saw if I posted anything, and then if I did, it would then automatically create that LinkedIn post for me. So I don't need to come to Claude Cowork and say, hey, I posted a video today, here's the URL, I want you to repurpose this. It now will automatically do that for me without me needing to manually have any input for it. So let me just come here and say, this is great. I love this workflow. Can you now do something for me and turn this into a specific skill? I want the skill to be called YouTube Repurpose, where you automatically go on my YouTube every single day at 8 a.m. and scrape to see if I have any new posts. And if I do, I want you to then trigger this workflow and post to Slack as well as my LinkedIn. As you can see here, I just gave it a very basic prompt and was like, all right, I love this workflow. I want you to turn it into a specific skill. Along with that, there's going to be a specific command. So whenever I say YouTube Repurpose in chat here, it's automatically going to, invoke this specific workflow and then, do that automatically for me, as well as now it is scheduled every single day at 8 a.m. Also, I'm going to show you one of the other powers inside of Cowork is going back to when it was going through this workflow, there is something called Claude in Chrome, and we could give Cowork the ability to go and browse my browser. So if I pull up my browser here, you can now see that I have this Claude button here, and this automatically can go and control my browser. So inside of Claude Cowork, it could basically invoke that workflow for it to go off and do things. And that is exactly how it went to my YouTube video to extract the key points to repurpose that into a LinkedIn post. All right, so we now have a scheduled task inside of Cowork. Right here, it says every day at 8 a.m., Claude will automatically check your YouTube channel for new uploads. To activate the skill, just install the skill file and use the schedule command. So all I have to do is literally just say schedule. If I want to, invoke this automatically or manually instead of automatically every morning. And let me go ahead and actually open up this skill MD file so you could see exactly what it did. And I'm going to talk about why skills are so powerful inside of Claude Cowork, explained in plain English. Right here is a markdown file, which is basically a set of instructions on how exactly this workflow should run every single time. So we don't need to give a prompt to Cowork and say, hey, I want you to, automatically scrape my YouTube videos and then repurpose it to LinkedIn. And here's how I want it repurposed to LinkedIn. Like, I don't need to explain that because that is what this markdown file does. So let me quickly talk about Cowork skills so you have a full understanding of this. So a skill is a saved workflow where we can write the instructions once. Claude memorizes this entire process and it will run this perfectly every single time. What goes into a skill file is the goal, the steps, the tools it should use, and then the edge cases as if, what it should do if something breaks. So for example, my YouTube repurposing system that I just built turns new videos into LinkedIn posts because of these 6 steps inside of this skill. It checks my YouTube for new uploads, it pulls the transcript and description, writes a LinkedIn post, posts to Slack, queues it to LinkedIn via Buffer, and then reports back with confirmation. So now with the scheduled tasks, I'm able to schedule that skill on autopilot so I don't manually need to be doing this. So the skill knows what to do, the schedule now knows when to do it, and I never have to touch this ever again. One key point here is you could build a skill for literally anything, and this is where the plugins feature inside of Cowork is very, very crucial. So if we come to plugins here, you could see we have these different plugins that we could instantly install into our Cowork experience. So I have a couple already downloaded. So I have one for marketing, I have one for design, or I could even download one for legal processes. If I come to my marketing plugin here, I have all these different commands. So I don't need to go and create these markdown files for skills. They're automatically updated. So the reason I bring that up is because this really supercharges what we could do with scheduled tasks if we're using plugins. Plugins are shareable. So one person can build it. Now the entire team can use it. We can leverage all of the skills we created, all of the workflows, and now all of these specific scheduled tasks that we create inside of Cowork. We can instantly plug this into our system. So we could install a plugin in one click. Now it's scheduled to run this automatically. We don't need to set anything up. It literally just works for us. Moral of this story, shared plugins plus scheduled tasks equal autopilot. This is where AI agents can actually go off and do things for us without us needing to give manual input. Let's now quickly talk about all the different applications we could tie into Cowork and use for our scheduled tasks or our plugins. If we come here, you could see that there's tons of different connectors directly inside of Claude that we could go ahead and just instantly install. So for example, if I want to be able to connect to my Gmail, all I have to do is click continue, give access to my account, and now Claude Cowork can access any of my emails as well as respond to my emails for me. So going back to Buffer, which is the platform that I use to schedule my LinkedIn post for me, the way that I was able to connect to this, because Claude Cowork doesn't actually have any native integrations for this specific platform, is what I am doing is I'm using the Zapier MCP connector. So let me show you exactly what I mean. If we come to zapier.com/MCP, you can see this landing page, which says connect your AI to any app with the Zapier MCP. So I'm just going to click on start building here. And I have this server that is configured with access to buffers. We could come here and add any of these different tools. And the key thing with Zapier is it basically connects to 8,000 plus different apps. And if we come back to Cowork, I believe Claude only, has access to maybe 50 to 100 different apps. So if there are ever apps that you want to go ahead and connect to, Zapier MCP is an amazing way to do this. So let me show you exactly how quickly you could set this up. So you're just going to enable any of the apps you want to connect. So let me just connect Gmail, for example, and any of the tools we connect in this server, Claude Cowork will have access to. I'm just going to click on connect. And then from here, we're just going to click on copy URL. And then I'm going to come up to connectors up here. I'm going to click on add custom connector. I'm going to call this Zapier. And then I'm just going to simply paste in that remote MCP server URL I just got with inside of Zapier. Here's another use case for scheduled tasks that has genuinely been a game changer for me and my business. If I come to this chat, you could see I said, I want you to create a skill and command. So whenever I say research, you look at all of my competitors' YouTube videos. Then from there, it's going to generate a document breaking down the key findings, as well as ping me on Slack about all of the key findings, and then also create a HTML file with an interface breaking down the key findings. So essentially every single morning, I can understand what's going on in the space, what should I pay attention to, and what should I maybe film my content for you guys to document, things going on in the AI space. So a couple things that I want to highlight here is if I come over to my files here that we have have inside of Claude Cowork. We have a couple of things. We have our instructions folder. We have our YouTube Markdown. So this is basically what's breaking down, all of our competitors that we want to track in the YouTube space. So we have some amazing names here, the best people making content in the AI space that we want to stay up to date with instead of me having to manually scrape. And if I come down a bit further, there's a couple of documents that were created. So we have this document file, which is the research report of all of the findings. So this is a very broken down and detailed, breakdown on what exactly is going down in the AI space and what it is that I should actually focus on filming today. And then on top of that, it even created this HTML dashboard that is just an amazing interface for me to just see everything that was going on while I was sleeping. So when I say that Claude Cowork can do work for you while you are sleeping, this is the type of stuff that it could do. This is genuinely something that would take me hours every single day to research. And I can now use Claude Cowork with these scheduled tasks to do this automatically for me. All right, guys, there we have it. That is Claude Cowork and the new scheduled tasks. If you guys got some value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. I have tons more content coming out about Claude Cowork and different use cases that you can use right now. Thank you for staying to the end. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.